So we already discussed Cisco ISE. What is Cisco ISE? When you type in Google Cisco ISE use cases, so you will get this PDF. When you go to google.com and type Cisco ISE use cases, and I believe that's the one. No, this one. So it's better go to images, and the image which I open, this one is the better one to find out easily. So you will get this guide. They mention all the use cases where you can use Cisco ISE. So when you click on this one, I download it for you, and you can read them here as well. It's a whole page, I don't want to go in detail, just to show you something. So Cisco ISE can be used for many purposes, as we discussed, like enable guest network access. You can isolate guest from your network, and it's purely secure. It's not like somebody will put the password and they will hack you. Either they will enter your network through guest. No, it's not possible. So secure Wi-Fi, even you have different SSID for your employees, for your contractor. So it's like a isolation as well. And nobody can go to another network. So this is one of the use case of Cisco ISE. It's in more detail. If you go here, it's in more detail. I don't want to go in more detail. There is self-registration portal. We will discuss again later in the course. Sponsor guest portal separately. User can register itself the guest. And different procedure. Then secure access through wire, through wireless, through VPN. Again, we will cover all these three. Through VPN and also through wire, there is .1x, MAB authentication, AZ Connect, and so many other methods where you can connect through cable. And they can put you in a specific VLAN, and they can put you restriction as well. And they can check your health as well. And they can get the profile detail as well. So you can use Cisco ISE for secure access as well. And obviously asset visibility. Whatever is in your network, they will tell you exactly the operating system, the version. A device may be mobile device, maybe laptop, maybe desktop, maybe Windows 10, maybe Windows 7, Mac operating system, Apple, Microsoft, whatever. So they will get the detail. And for asset visibility, they are using profile. And profile, they are using many methods. Again, we will check when we will go to profile section. Like SNMP, they are using SNMP, they are using Radius, they are using NetFlow, they are using DHCP, they are using DNS. There are 13 possible way to get the detail of the device. And then they can provide you asset visibility, whatever your asset in your network. So this is another use case of Cisco ISE. You can use them for asset visibility. Enforcing access based on asset visibility. Again, you can use profile. Profile, they will tell you exactly what is the system. And they have many predefined profile. And you can use profile to enforce them. That if the device, suppose an example, if the device is Windows XP, put them in a specific VLAN. Put them on the specific restriction. So how you can achieve this one? Using profile. And then you can enforce them. So again, you can use for this purpose. Maybe you say that if the Apple device login, put them in here, in this VLAN, either in this restriction, whatever you want. There are many use cases which you can do it, but just to tell you that what is asset enforcement. Then compliance, definitely I already told you. It's like control. You are bringing control. So whenever, like many country ban many other country, like UK they ban, India they ban, Pakistan they ban, Bangladesh, these people cannot come to us now in this situation, because they want control on their country. Same thing compliance mean when device try, either user try to connect to your network, they will check the health. If it is okay and per your policy is okay, they will allow you, otherwise they will deny you simply. How you can do this one, and how you know that the device is healthy or not? Again, you can use posture, and this way you can get the device per your policy. You can put many condition, like some country have put little condition to come, like KSA, they say okay, if you have a certificate then it's okay, you can come to our country. The same way for compliance you can put many policy, this application, operating system, antivirus, check this, everything, whatever you like. And BYOD, bring your own devices either through wire or wireless. Again, you can use Cisco ISE for this purpose as well. And as I told you, this integration and threat containment, you can integrate Cisco ISE with third party, either like a FTD, like Cisco ASA, WSA, ESA, Cisco Umbrella, DNS solution. So many things you can integrate. Some of them we will do, and I will show you how you can integrate third party security product to Cisco ISE. So you can get this thing through Cisco ISE as well. And I already tell you about segmentation. Normally we bring segmentation based on VLAN to segregate the, the network. Either we use IP based policy. But here in Cisco ISE, you have tag solution, which we will do one lab related to that one. You have tag solution, even you can use dynamic VLAN. You can use DECL, ACLs dynamically. You don't need to type those ACL in 100 switches. No, it will get automatically, switches will get automatically those ACL from centralized location, which is Cisco ISE. And this way you can put segmentation as well. You can use VLAN, you can use IP, you can use ACL, and you can use tag solution to segregate the traffic. Again, who can do this for you? Cisco ISE. Integration I already told you. And then device administration. No, somehow, but it's not related to that one. I will explain you when we reach to that one. It's a good question, by the way. Integration, and this related to basically, this specific for main purpose we are talking about, not each and every device, because we don't need in this case. Why we will integrate our Cisco ISE through firewall is possible, but we don't need in this situation. Here integration means like what is called. I will show you one example of that when we reach to this topic. Vulnerability. Vulnerability is very important in real life. So if you want vulnerability, so you can integrate to Cisco ISE to give you the full report. And then the last one is device admin. You can use Cisco ISE for device administration, for management purpose. You know who can log into your device and what they can do, and whatever they done, they will report you as well. So these are a few use cases, and you can go through all these documents in detail. You can use it, can send you email, print, and so many other things. There are portal as well. Again, we will discuss in detail. Okay, and one by one, whatever I said, that was in simple words, but in here you can find in more detail. Asset visibility. So we can use profile to get these detail. Okay, and if you go, so here is compliance visibility. You can use posture for this purpose. And when we go to secure wire access, so you can use many method, .1x and so many other method, MEB authentication. You can log in through Active Directory. You can integrate them to other third-party tools. So you can use downloadable ACL. You can use dynamic VLAN, and you can use segmentation method for wireless secure access. Okay, and then definitely bring your own devices. You can bring your own devices and you can integrate them. Even if something goes wrong and those bring your own devices, so you can use MDM solution, which you can integrate again. You can integrate all these MDM solution, okay, to your Cisco ISEs I told you above. So you can integrate these MDM solution, and when something goes wrong, the device maybe in mobile phone, so you can format them remotely. That one. And thread related, you can integrate thread related thing to your Cisco ISE. Vulnerability related, which I told you. You can use next generation IPS, IDS, endpoint security. There are many AMP, Cisco AMP, and Cisco Umbrella, and so many other stuff you can connect to your Cisco ISE, which is mentioned. Some of them is mentioned here. And what else? Segmentation, I already told you. One of them is to use tag solution, is a tagging. Like in router and switches we use tag. The same concept is here. Again, we will discuss in detail. Okay, and what else? A lot of things you can do it. Okay, so these are you can go through in detail. You can use this document I will share with you. That's it.